Hi guys, Scott Sears, Primo Ceramic Grills. We did a video earlier, we were talking about the round. Now we're going to talk about the oval shape. This is what separates Primo from the rest of the pack. One, everybody knows we're the only American-made ceramic grill. But two, we're the only ceramic grill in an oval shape, a patented oval shape that only Primo has. And that really sets us apart from everybody else. With the Primo Oval, we've got three sizes available. We've got the Junior, which is roughly 200 square inches, the Large, roughly 300 square inches, and the Primo Extra Large, our #1 seller, roughly 400 square inches, and expandable upon that if we want to expand more cooking area. The difference in these units that sets us apart from everybody else has a round grill. To really do effective cooking on a ceramic grill, you really need to have a oval shape to be able to do direct and indirect cooking. There's a big difference in trying to do it on a round versus doing it on an oval. With Primo Ceramics, we have a better ceramic blend that retains the heat better, where you truly get a direct and indirect cooking on an oval shape. On a round, it's just too small. It just doesn't work. On an oval shape, you can actually do that. One of the reasons that George invented the oval was food doesn't always come in a round package. When you've got a big brisket, when you've got ribs, you want to be able to have the room to put it on the grill without having to cut it up. You can do that on any one of our oval shapes. Is even a brisket on our small one, 2 pork butts, or as big as a 40-pound pig on the Extra Large that I've done numerous times. So we've got a lot more versatility. We've got a lot more options that we can do. And again, the Primo Oval gives us that versatility. Another thing we want to talk about in the grill is this one's shown. It comes with the standard cooking grids that are, they're adjustable high or low. You could have one high, one low. We could have both of them high, or we can add an extended cooking rack. We also have the heat deflectors that can go underneath to actually set us up as direct or indirect on one or either side, or all the way across. So this gives us a lot more versatility, more so than any other ceramic grill. The other is it's a lot more user-friendly. When you're going to try and get food on a round unit, you're limited on space. They're typically 18 inches around. By the time you lose the side walls where the cooking grid's sitting on the firebox, you might have 16 inches of real cooking area. Well, you don't lose it on the Primo XL. We've got cooking area all the way around the entire side, and we can truly do direct and indirect cooking. So the versatility gives us a lot more user-friendly, where I can get to my food. When you try to do that on a round unit, you're very limited on space. You're not going to be able to fit much food, and the direct-indirect method does not work on the round. So we can take care of that. That's why this is our #1 seller. It gives us more space. We can use just one side if we want. We can use the entire thing. We can go direct. We can go indirect. We've got more options, actually 72 options that we can use that we'll get into later, of combinations of how we can cook on this grill. The other thing we want to talk about, we've talked about in the other one, heat retention. Heat retention is big. When I'm cooking on this unit and it's at 300 degrees and I open up the grill, any other grill, you've got heat loss. This grill's going to have a little heat loss as well. But when you shut it back down, it's going to rebound to 300 degrees faster than any other ceramic grill. And that's because of the ceramics that it's made out of. So the Primo Oval, the only patented oval shape, the most forgiving, the most versatile, and the only one made in the USA. That's why it makes this grill a winner.